So how is fighting a court in the Supreme Court different from fighting it in, say, the lower courts of the country?
It is very different. A lot of people would say that if you haven't practiced in the lower court, you can't practice in the Supreme Court, because that's where you understand how to build a case, what all is required, kya documents file karne hai. So it's usually the lower court lawyers, trial court lawyers, who would strategize that if you come with a problem, hame ye file karna hai ya aise file karna hai, what are the documents required, the kind of evidence that we can use. By the time it travels up to the Supreme Court, from 2-3 courts below, you have everything ready made for you. So we only have to use what is there before us to make a strategy. We can't make a new case out of the documents if it's not there, right? So there are times when the clients would come and say ki, ek aur kagaz tha, agar hum laga dete. So but the courts by that time are like, you've already traveled through the years, why did you not use it before? So the resources are very limited and you have to build your case from there. So it's a very different practice. I personally find the Supreme Court is more tougher because you only get about 2-3 minutes on the initial day to convince the bench whether your case has merits or not, whereas in courts below you have detailed hearings, ghanta chalti hai, judge samajhta hai whether you have a good case or not. So there is a marked difference between the two practices.
So can you not present new evidence when you're fighting a case in the Supreme Court?
No, unless and until you can show that the reason why you could not present it before, there was XYZ grounds that I could not, even if I would have tried, I couldn't have produced this document. You can't, because the case has traveled with certain set of documents. So today to open the case again would mean that everything that has happened before gets undone. So usually courts don't entertain it.
So you can't put up a new strategy, basically using the same evidence that was presented before, you need to represent it in a way that convinces the judges that it should be in your favor. Okay.